Good morning, my friend. I am Mary Howard RN with PowerlineHealth.com, bringing you another episode of Essentially Yours. And today I'm going to talk about emotions, in particular, 6 emotions. And so right now I'm going to go ahead and switch over to our screencast. We have categorized the emotions that people struggle with most into 6 groups. Of course, these groups are not all the emotions, but a lot of what we encounter can fall into these areas. doTERRA has 6 essential oil blends that are well thought out blends, and you will really feel a strong emotional effect when you use them. Probably my most used blends are the Cheer and Motivate to get me energized and uplifted in the morning or when I have an afternoon slump. So I'm going to start. I love this graphic. It has the 6 oils and it has the basics of what they're made from, and we're going to move through this. So we're going to start here with Emotional Aromatherapy. And today we're going to start with Motivate. Motivate is our encouraging blend. It helps with feelings of confidence, courage, and will replace negative emotions like guilt and pessimism. With the doTERRA Motivate, this encouraging blend has a mix of mint and citrus oils, essential oils. My personal favorite to get me energized and in the right frame of mind when I'm headed to a networking meeting. Then we're going to come back to our center and we're going to move on to Cheer. Cheer is our uplifting blend. With a sunshiny, optimistic aroma, Cheer can counteract negative emotions and provide a boost of happiness and feeling positive when you are feeling down. It has a mix of wild orange, clove, anise, myrrh, nutmeg, vanilla, ginger, and cinnamon. I love this oil for my teenager in the morning. Actually, my teenage daughter loves this oil and carries it in her purse all the time. And now we're going to move on to Passion. Passion is our inspiring blend. When you're having feelings of boredom and disinterest, the Passion inspiring blend will help you rekindle feelings of excitement, passion, and joy. It has a mix of cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, clove, sandalwood, jasmine, and vanilla. Then we're going to come back to our graph again, and we're going to move on to Forgive. Forgive is our renewing blend. It is a fresh, woody aroma, making Forgive a great blend for renewing feelings that help counteract emotions of anger and guilt, while promoting a great sense of contentment, relief, and a calming sort of patience. This mix is made from trees such as spruce, bergamot, juniper, arborvitae, Nataka, and then there is myrrh, thyme, and citronella. So it also has some herbs in there. Now we're going to move on around our circle to Console. Console is our comforting blend. Uses a sweet floral and tree essential oils to promote feelings of comfort, putting you on a hopeful path of emotional healing. I really notice this oil works by shocking the emotions. At least that's what my personal feelings has been. It has the oils of frankincense, patchouli, ylang ylang, lambadem, amaranth, sandalwood, rose, and osmanthus. And this is a great blend if you are feeling down and you just can't shake those sad feelings. I've got a family member going through end-stage cancer, and I just get in these funks, and so I find myself heading for that Console oil. And then our last but not least oil is our Peace. Peace is our reassuring blend. Use this oil when you need feelings of contentment, composure, and reassurance. It is great when you feel anxious or overwhelmed by all kinds of emotions. It has oils like vetiver, lavender, ylang ylang, frankincense, clary sage, marjoram, lambadam, and spearmint. These are great oil mixes to have around for many reasons, as you can see. Probably my favorite way to use them is in a roller ball, or just open up the bottle and take the aroma in for a little bit. You could diffuse them to affect everyone in a room if you had that need as well. You see on our piece slide, the emotion oils come in pre-made roller balls, making this a nice set for a gift or just to have your favorites when you're on the go. Thank you for watching our video. Like and share with someone that could use this information. We welcome your comment. What emotions are you struggling with the most? If you want to know how to get these, I'll put a link in the description below. And if you don't, that's okay too. I'm Mary with Powerline Health, where healthy living is the power to move mountains.